Hello everyone, Wendy's back. I thought today I'd get a couple of videos done so that I can, get back into the swing of doing them because I haven't been doing much lately. So I thought, hey, come on Wendy, move yourself a bit. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do two cards. One is horizontal and the other one portrait. It's using exactly the same DSPs, Design the Series paper, and a little bow, and there's two sayings, and I can't remember where they're off from now, but I shall try and find out for you, and we'll see how it goes. Well, it's been a lovely day, but yeah, at the moment it's raining in Narberth. Right, so I got the card there. This is the topper. I'm going to put, oops, no, I'm not going to do that first. Oh, when you did the mess then, didn't I? Oh, there it is. What I want to do first, I want to wrap the ribbon around it. Now, I'm going to make this bit, but I'm hoping that you're going to be able to follow me. If I can find it. Ah, there we go. Hopefully you can right there. I'm just trying to see where I am so that I can hopefully show you what I'm doing then. Right, you've got a small piece here that doesn't do very much at all, it just sort of hangs there. This is a bone folder, a bow folder even. I only paid a few quid for it online somewhere. So you take the ribbon and you go round the back, okay? Then you cross over, you go under there, hold those two, then bring the worker back through the bottom. Oops. I have to glue it on the table, I think, next time. Take it back through there, and then tie a knot. Take it off. What you can do then, you can fiddle about and see how you want it, but there's your bow, mate. I hope that worked for you, because I've got loads and loads and loads of ribbon. What I'm doing now while I'm talking, I'm just sort of fiddling about with it a bit and getting it straight or whatever, and discombobulate it, as they say. I don't know who they are, but I say it. So there we are. Right, now then, what I'm going to do now, at the back, sit down a minute while I'm doing this. Right, the back of the DSP, I'm going to put a double-sided tape on that side. Sticking to me, I don't know about anything else. And that side, then I'm going to pull, make sure it's well, oops. Now this is what's come on, right. Once you've got it, if you press it down hard enough, then you will be, see, I didn't press that one down, sorry, and it's hard for me to take it off, so just give it a good rub with your nails. If you've got any. Mine, for some reason, mine have all broken, so I'm not a happy bunny. Right, put it face down. Don't press it down, otherwise it'll stick to it. Right, I want the ribbon about there-ish. See what I mean? Don't push it down. And I'm going to come around the back there. You see, these now we're holding it, so they're not going to go floppy flop all over the place. So there we are. Like I said, these are two quick cards. Oh, I know what else. No, I'm going to do that with the other one, aren't I? So that's okay. So put some Tombow glue. This is excellent glue. What you do have to be aware of, though, is if you're doing it, what I did some flower centres the other week, and I used it in the middle because that's how I do some of my flowers. And I thought, that's okay, it'll dry. It does dry, but it dries sticky because it's a repositionable one. Right, so there's that there. I'm going to get these sentiments, and this one says, out of a whole world of people. I'm just going to sticks and dimensionals on. Like I said, it's very quick and easy cards. There's one thing I didn't do before I stuck everything on, was it was the right way round. There we are. Oh, turn around the right way, Wendy. And there we go. Out of a world, after a whole world, oops, of people. And you open it up and you get the other sentiments. I think I'm going to put 3 on here just because it's just a little bit too long, and if I post it, I don't want to get squished. Ouch. No, there's I've been lacking badly with doing videos, so I thought, well, if I do 2 today, then hopefully, you know, I'll be coming back into the swing of it. Then on the inside, no, I was going to put a lining, but I don't think I will with this one. And you stick that there. A friend is someone who chooses you. Now, I know it's on dimensionals, and maybe I shouldn't have put it on dimensionals, but you open it out for a whole world of people. A friend is someone who chooses you. Plain, easy, simple card to make. That's the portrait one. Now, the horizontal one, I'm going to do something a little different. Again, I've cut the DSP as about 1/2 centimetre difference in it. So you get a nice margin. Come on. I don't know whether... Yes, I have got it right. Dear, dear, dear. Right. You do the same with this. Check them in the right place. Yeah. We've had a nice day today. It's been quite sunny here, but it's come over quite cold, and it's grey as well. It looks like it's going to pour down with rain any minute. My little lady is still out. I think she will be asking the gentleman for a brolly very soon. Where's that? Oh, there it is. Right, so I put the double-sided thingies on there. Where have I got it? I got there. So this one now I'm going to put round this way. Don't stick to the table. What you can do, you can feel where the sticky is as well. And I'm not sure where I got this piece of lace from. It could have been Stampin' Up, or I might have bought it, I don't know, when I was doing my quilting classes. Right, so this one is now going to be the horizontal one. And what I'd like to do with these is I like to clip the corners. The best way to do this, to make sure you've got everything even, is to cut your DSP out the same... No, it's stuck to the table. No, it hasn't. Cut your DSP out exactly the same size as you would if you were making an ordinary card. And then just clip the 2 outer corners like you've done on the cards. Right, now just check that I've got my card. Yes, the right way round. Oh. Plenty of glue on there. So you don't have to stand up a minute while I get this to be tidy as the way I want it to. And that's about right there. And then I'm going to get this sentiment, just a simple thank you. And a few more glue dots on there. I think I'll put 4 on here. I was practicing the other day with my take a pick tool and trying to get these off. I think I'm getting there with it. However, I don't want to try it when I'm doing a video, because you know what usually happens when you do that. Nothing will work and everything will be off. So I'm going to put the thank you up there, about the same distance from there and there, like that. And now then, as you can see, my ribbon is a bit on the floppy in the middle side. So I'm going to get a little glue dot, tiny little thing, and I'm going to press it. Gets off my finger. Press it on the back of the bow. And then stick it down like that. And there we are. That's another card, a thank you card. Thank you ever so much for watching, and if you like it, please leave a thumbs up and a comment, because I always like to know what you think of my cards. So thank you, and I might see you tomorrow. Okay, bye, have a good evening, and also stay safe. Bye.